Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your book Fly High Grade 1. So now we are on chapter 7 that says Rainy Day Joy. So I hope you all love rains and you all love to dance in the rain. You all love to, make boats and sail them. So now this lesson is about saving the water. Let's read the lesson to know how we can save water for our future. We all know that water is really precious and we cannot think of lives without water, right? So we should all make an effort to save water and every drop is really precious to us, okay? So before we start the chapter, we have an activity. Look at the following. Which of these shows the most important use of water? Write I in the given box at the bottom of the picture. So I is for important. Now list the other pictures in order of their importance. So bathing with a shower, is it right? No, it wastes a lot of water, so we should always use a bucket. Then washing, but then again, it is correct because, the mother, she has water in the bucket, but then again, she has the tap on. So I think washing can be done in one bucket itself. And though the water is not overflowing from the bucket, we can say it is good. And then, we have to show out of these pictures, I'm telling you the wastage of money, and as well we are going to decide that which is the most important use of money. So this is wastage of money. This is again correct. Cycling, it has nothing to do with water. And then drinking water, this is the most important use of water. So we will write I. Next, we have the story. It was a rainy day. Look at the rain, shouted Mala as she clapped her hands. She ran outside to dance in the rain. Soon her hair was wet. Her clothes and her hands were wet too because she was playing in the rain. Mala enjoyed the rain. Her dad came out. He looked at her dancing in the rain. You know, said her dad, we are very lucky. We get a lot of rainwater. In some villages, people walk on a long way for water. Now the dad said, yet Mala, you know that we are really very lucky. We have so much of rain and we have water in plenty. But there are some villages, who have to go miles and miles to fetch water. In some cities, people get water for just an hour a day. Oh no, that's really bad, said Mala. What can we do to help? She asked. We shouldn't waste water. We should save water, said her dad. Look at the poster on the bathroom door. See what it says. Mala went back into the house. She read the poster on the door. It said, take short showers or use a bucket to take a bath, as I said. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. We are in a habit of keeping the tap on. The water is flowing and, we are brushing our teeth. It's a bad habit. We should close the tap. When you wash your clothes, don't let the water run all the time. Like in the picture, we were seeing that the mother had filled one bucket and she was filling the second one, right? So that is the correct way. You should store water in a bucket, and rather than washing them in running water, we can have water in the bucket and we can wash them and rinse them. Tell your parents about leaking taps. Now, in case the taps are leaking, we should take care of them and we should inform the elders. So these were the guidelines which were given in the poster that was outside the washroom, the bathroom. Mala said to herself, I will try to save water from now onwards, right? So we too should follow these and we should save water. Now we have the exercise. Which of the following is the opposite of waste? So the opposite of waste is save, absolutely correct. Which part of the given sentence has an error? If the sentence is free from error, we will mark no error. Mala ran outside to dance in the rain. Mala ran outside to dance in the rain. Yes, this has no error, so absolutely correct. Next, we have the multiple choice. It was a dash day. It was a rainy day. Absolutely correct. Why did people walk a long way in some villages? So why did they used to walk along? They used to walk miles and miles to fetch water, right? For water. In some cities, people get water for just an hour a day. Very good. Next, we have the question answers based on the story. Why did Mala run outside the house? Mala ran outside the house because it was raining and she wanted to dance and have fun. Did Mala enjoy the rain? Yes, she enjoyed the rain. What was Mala doing when her dad came out? You know, when her dad came out, he saw that Mala was dancing and she was wet and enjoying the rain. How do people of villages get water? In some places, you know, in some villages, it is really, a big problem that the people, they do not get plenty of water. So they go miles and miles to fetch water. All they have, they have wells to fetch water. And it is really difficult because there is no proper supply of water. Should we waste water? Should we waste water? No, every drop of water is precious. So we should all make an effort to, save every single drop of water. So that was all about the story. You will read the story once again, go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.